Why cheaper hair transplant could do more harm than good? We've seen it over and over in our clinics that people are coming back for a hair transplant repair. Many of them travel to the other side of the world to get a hair transplant, and now when they come back, they have scarring that we cannot really repair as good as we want to, and they have hairlines that they're designed in the wrong place, so we have to remove every single hair and replace them in the right position. And worse than anything else is when we see the donor areas depleted, so they don't have enough hair to work with. These are the things that we see when a hair transplant is not done with a skillful physician and team. One of the biggest giveaway of a non-skilled hair transplant is when we see the hairline and you know it's a transplanted hair. If a hair transplant is done right, people should see improvement, people should see full head of hair, but they cannot recognize it. If somebody comes to you and say, hey, nice hair transplant, that's not a good compliment. They cut corners. When we do the hairline, we have to design hair in a certain way that we expect to see them in nature. The front should be irregular. We should have single hairs for a certain area, followed by a set of twos, like hair follicle units that has only 2 follicles, and then followed by 3s and 4s. That gives a natural, perfect result. But when they don't have enough staff, they don't have enough skills, they put them all together, you see pluggy hair, you see hairline that you can just pinpoint. Even average people can pinpoint that this is a transplanted hair. That's not good.